possessions. Knowledge is power. Confidence steps in this money game. Building my empire, remember my name. From trading floors to the big gala nights, I'm living the hustle, reaching new heights. Gala dinner shining, feeling like a king. Educational resources, let the wisdom ring. Mega bucks on the table, foreign affairs and sight swing. Trading till December, I'm ready for the fight. Withdrawals, deposits, I'll conquer the scene. Confident steps in this money game. Building my empire, remember my...
So guys, good morning. We just got here, so we have a mission to do. You see, the car is giving problems, so we're trying to fix the car and then see if the mission of the day is still gonna happen. So took an Uber here. So as you can see guys, I'm still explaining what is kanjani. So even I'll phone start and like it's starting but it's not moving, you see. So we had to bring the mechanic to come check it out. So let's see what the problem is. Come on, it's not my rating. So we took an Uber to get here guys. So I'm giving the guy 5 star. And now the uncle is pulling up also, you see. So let's see. So as the guy mechanic, I decided to do something on my phone. So now I'm fully phone. I'm seeing what's on special, you see. So I'm seeing these watches for 19 rand. I'm purchasing them. These ones I can sell them for 50 rand, guys. So as the mechanic is fixing, kune-partnyana elimoshekile la yabo. So kusafuneka sijike lapha espace solbheka. So let's get out and go check it. Amafoni ngashile phezulu. So sesaphuma manje, you see guys. So we can't take the van because started but it's not moving. So we're gonna take the different car now. Sicabanga ukujika which space is open on a Sunday, man. So we're on the way now. So as you could see guys, this is the south. If you've never been to the south, this is this side of the world. So now we're deciding to go where Poisons, so check a corner with his corner and I is fully wearable. So yeah. So as we get there, the first shop is Ibona Ivali. Let's keep on searching. So sasithola ispace nyane esivulile yabona. So amachita yangena lapha iHotman nomakhenika. Mina ngidecide ukusala emotweni phela kuse Poisons la kusekase kufuneka ngigade. So here's this part that may short even in yabo ngazi CV joint or yini yiyo le. So sisiye endlini ke manje sizama ukuyifaka evenini and then we're gonna go with the mission of the day. So as you could see the sleep, guys, this thing is 375. When Usamelo Ramaphosa, Arufuni Moto, a car is expensive, guys. Think twice before you buy a car. But yeah, we're still here in the south now. My palm trees. Now we're heading home. You see. So as you can see, guys, we are back now. So now ile part mesithengile na ngumechanic asakazoyifaka evenini. Phone ishiye charging, so I'm checking the phone now. Phone yami isasekhona. If mokuseso wethu shi garage ivuliwe, phone ubihambile. So the guy is checking this part. So now ngumechanic usemsebenzini. Let's see what happens. So as you could see, kuyakhandwa ma right now mangazi kuyenzakalani ngiyabona imoto iyajekwa and then yeah. But then the part is in now, so we're gonna test the van and then isibheke ukuthi vele umechanic uyenze zona. Imoto yabo moso uvulile kanjani ngazi nje ukuthi itayera ukuthi kuyenzakalani emuva kwalo hayi. Ngazi ukuthi netayera kune engine ibhetri ezinye hayi. Maka athi ngathi uyatesta then uzosithatha makabuya yeah. As you could see ngathi problem sesiyilungisile yabo because even mail start mara lingahambi so manje selahamba, so I think the problem is sorted. Isikhathi mesi hayi besiphethe wena never sicakeke mose. But TPO it has fine manje yabo. So yeah guys, that's how the day went. As you can hear ngikhuluma nomechanica. So now we're gonna take back the chairs and the tables to the owners because we had an event nyana. But subscribe guys to see how the lifestyle unfolds, you see.
Making moves with the XM, you know I'm on the rise. X-Miss got my back as I reach for the prize. Take mill in my corner, trading wise and bold. Minimum deposits, watch my story unfold. Live trading sessions, knowledge is power. Confidence steps in this money game. Building my empire, remember my name. From trading floors to the big gala nights, I'm living the hustle, reaching new heights. Gala dinner shining, feeling like a king. Educational resources, let the wisdom ring. Mega bucks on the table, foreign affairs and sight swing. Trading till December, I'm ready for the fight. Withdrawals, deposits, I'll conquer the scene. Confident steps in this money game. Building my empire, remember my name. From trading floors to the big gala nights, I'm living the hustle, reaching new heights. Withdrawals, deposits, I'll conquer the scene. Confident steps in this money game.